In this video, I'll show you how to close a notification on Android. This is useful if your notification panel is full or you want to clear alerts from your screen. First, swipe down from the top of your screen. This opens the notification panel. Find the notification you want to close, swipe it to the left or right. Most notifications will disappear when you swipe them away. If a notification will not close, press and hold it, then tap Turn Off Notifications. Some ongoing notifications like music controls, calls, downloads, or system alerts may stay there until the app or process has finished. You can also tap Clear, all at the bottom of the notification panel, if you want to remove all removable notifications at once. If an app keeps sending notifications you do not want, open Settings. Go to Notifications, tap App Notifications, choose the app and turn off its notifications. And that's it. You've now closed notifications on Android.